Hi, this is Jan from LanguageFeeling.com, and today I would like to talk a little bit about the question, why proverbs? Why are proverbs the perfect language learning materials? I mean, it sounds a little bit like, why does the universe exist? Proverbs already give you a complete thought, which means that they point out a piece of advice or a morale. And as such, they already come embedded in a context. So, for example, when I started working with proverbs, in Indonesian, for example, there is a nice proverb going like, hidup itu seperti mampir minum kopi, which means this life is like stopping by to drink a cup of coffee. Now, if you look at this proverb more closely, you immediately realize that it's not the English word order. It's more like life this, like stop by, drink coffee. There is a lot of words missing that you would usually say in English. Now, I could have learned all these 6-7 words independently, not connectedly. I could have learned them separately on flashcards or in a Lightner box, always repeating them after a certain amount of days. But that wouldn't have given me the context. And here is exactly the point where it gets interesting for you as a language learner. If you learn proverbs from a different culture, from a different language, you immediately understand not only the grammatical structure, right? You can abstract that without reading any rule elsewhere. You see the proverb and you immediately understand the structure. But beyond that, you also understand how the language talks ambiguously. You understand how the language plays with how it describes reality. Right? If we think about language as something that represents, describes our reality, which is the way in which native speakers use the language without having to think about it. And this is the beautiful thing about proverbs. They train your skill to do just the same, to use your target language in a way that a native speaker does on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you're looking for proverbs for your target language, check out our proverb section on LanguageFeeling.com. The link is right down below. Comment if you like. Comment even if you don't like. We always love to get your feedback and to improve the products that we offer you and the insights that we offer you, and in general everything that we do to make your process of language learning more enjoyable, easier and more efficient. Now, I hope these advices are of service to you. I hope they give you something to think about, how maybe to change your language learning, to twist it a little bit into the direction that serves you a little more than it may have before. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.